Warrior 1, Virabhadrasana I. The warrior pose is the basic standing pose in yoga. It strengthens the legs and balance and creates good flow from the feet to the head. Holding this position for a long time can be challenging and fortifying. Shorter periods in the pose will build strength gradually. Problem 1. Rigidity in the shoulder girdle that is expressed in difficulty in raising the arms. The outcome, compensation, is an increase in cervical and lumbar lordosis. Solution: elongation, maintaining the normal curvature of the cervical lordosis. Problem 2. Rigidity in the shoulder girdle due to shortening, increased tonus in the pectoralis minor muscles. Shortened or increased tonus in the pectoralis minor muscles pulls the shoulder blades forward and thus prevents the scapulae from moving backward and drawing near to each other. As a chain reaction, the arms are prevented from continuing their elevation. Solution: increase flexibility of the pectoralis minor muscles as a preparatory exercise for this position.